Good morning, students. Today we will discuss another problem. Solve d square x by dt square minus 2 into dx by dt plus x is equal to e raised to t with x is equal to 2 and dx by dt is equal to minus 1 at t is equal to 0. In this problem, right hand side is not equal to 0. Right hand side is not equal to 0. In previous problem, right hand side is 0. Here, right hand side is not equal to 0. Therefore, we have to consider right hand side also. When we take the Laplace transform, this d square x by dt square is equal to x double dash 2 into x dash plus x is equal to e raised to t. First, we write this in derivative form. X double dash minus 2x dash plus x is equal to e raised to t. When we take the Laplace transform, L of x double dash minus 2 into L of x dash plus L of x is equal to L of e raised to t. Then apply the Laplace transform of derivatives. L of x double dash is equal to s square x bar minus sx0 minus x dash 0 minus 2 into L of x dash s into x bar minus s of x0 plus L of x bar right hand side L of e raised to t. L of e raised to t is equal to 1 by s minus 1. Then we apply the initial conditions. The initial conditions are x is equal to 2 and dx by dt is equal to minus 1 at t equal to 0. That means x0 is equal to 2, x dash 0 is equal to minus 1. We apply here s square x bar minus s into x0 is equal to 2 minus x dash 0 is equal to minus 1 minus 2 into s x bar minus x0 is equal to 2 plus x bar is equal to 1 by s minus 1. That is s square x bar minus 2s plus 1 minus 2s x bar plus 4 plus x bar is equal to 1 by s minus 1. Then s square here minus 2s then plus 1. X bar term taken outside. Therefore, s square x bar minus 2s into x bar plus x bar. Then the remaining term minus 2s then plus 1 plus 4 that is plus 5 then that is equal to 1 by s minus 1. That is s square minus 2s plus 1 can be written as s minus 1 the whole square into x bar that is equal to 2s minus 5 plus 1 by s minus 1. Then we can simplify the right hand side. That is equal to 2s square minus 2s minus 5s plus 5 plus 1 divided by s minus 1. That is 2s square minus 7s plus 6 divided by s minus 1. S minus 1 whole square into x bar is equal to 2s square minus 7s plus 6 divided by s minus 1. Therefore, x bar is equal to 2s square minus 7s plus 6 divided by s minus 1 the whole cube. That implies x is equal to L inverse 2s square minus 7s plus 6 divided by s minus 1 the whole cube. But to find out the x, we take the inverse of this function 2s square minus 7s plus 6 by s minus 1 whole cube. For that, first you have to convert into partial fraction. 2s square minus 7s plus 6 by s minus 1 whole cube converting into partial fractions. For that, 2s square minus 7s plus 6 divided by s minus 1 whole cube. This is equal to the partial fraction method, a by s minus 1 plus b by s minus 1 whole square plus c by s minus 1 the whole cube. A by b by c by. Then, to find the values of a, b, c, we multiply in the denominator of the left hand side. Therefore, we get 2s square minus 7s plus 6 is equal to a into s minus 1 square plus b into s minus 1 plus c. When we multiply both sides, the denominator of the left hand side, we get 2s square minus 7s plus 6. Here a into s minus 1 whole square plus b into s minus 1 plus c. Then we can find the value of a, b, c. Put s is equal to 1. When we put s is equal to 1, here 2 minus 7 plus 6 is equal to, this term will be 0, this term will be 0 plus c. Therefore, 2 plus 6, 8 minus 1, that is equal to c. Therefore, the value of c is equal to 1. Therefore, value of c is equal to 1. Then, to find the other values, b and c, equating coefficients of s square. Therefore, left hand side, s square coefficient is equal to 2. Right hand side, a only. Therefore, the value of a is equal to 2. The value of a is equal to 2. The third case, put s is equal to 0. When we put s is equal to 0, 6 is equal to 0 a minus b, then plus c. Therefore, 6 is equal to, the value of a is equal to 2, value of c is equal to 1. Therefore, 6 is equal to 3 minus b. Therefore, b is equal to, b shift 6, 3 minus, therefore minus 3. Therefore, value of b is equal to minus 3. Therefore, the value of the constant c is equal to 1, a is equal to 2, b equal to minus 3. Then, substitute the values of a, b, c. The value of a is equal to 2 by s minus 1 plus the value of b is equal to minus 3 by s minus 1 whole square plus the value of c is equal to 1 by s minus 1 whole cube. This is 2s square minus 7s plus 6 by s minus 1 the whole cube. Therefore, to find the value of x, we apply the inverse result, L inverse 2s square minus 7s plus 6 divided by s minus 1 the whole cube. That is 2 into L inverse 1 by s minus 1 plus minus 3 into L inverse 1 by s minus 1 the whole square plus L inverse 1 by s minus 1 the whole cube. To find the formula for 1 by s minus 1 whole square, we can apply the formula. That formula is, we know that L of e raised to at t raised to n is equal to n factorial by s minus a whole raised to n plus 1. Here, L inverse 1 by s minus a whole raised to n plus 1 is equal to 1 by n factorial e raised to at t raised to n. That implies L inverse 1 by s minus a whole raised to n is equal to 1 by n minus 1 factorial e raised to at t raised to n minus 1. T raised to n minus 1. Then apply the formula. The first case 2 into L inverse 1 by s minus 1, the answer will be e raised to t minus 3 into L inverse 1 by s minus 1 whole square. When we put n is equal to 2 here, when we put n is equal to 2 here, 1 by s minus n whole square is equal to 1 by n minus 1. That is 1 by 1 factorial e raised to t, a is equal to 1, therefore e raised to t into t raised to n minus 1, therefore t raised to t raised to 2 minus 1, that's it. The third case, L inverse 1 by s minus 1 whole cube. We put n is equal to 3 here, therefore n inverse 1 by s minus 1 s minus 1 whole cube is equal to 1 by 2 factorial into e raised to t square. Therefore, the final answer will be e raised to t. X is equal to minus 3 into e raised to t into t plus 1 by 2 into e raised to t into t square. This is the value of x. The value of x is equal to 2 into e raised to t minus 3 into e raised to t into t plus 1 by 2 into e raised to t into t square. This is the procedure for finding the value of x. Here, right hand side is not equal to 0. Right hand side is equal to e raised to t. We should consider the right hand side function also. The final result will be x is equal to 2 into e raised to t minus 3 into e raised to t into t plus 1 by 2 into e raised to t into t square. Okay.